We've come to the last pipeline lever that will really get the revenue flowing. In order to help you increase the speed at which you close sales, I'm going to tell you 3 steps that will help you step on the accelerator. Get the deals flowing faster. 1. Discover the decision-making process of the companies you want to buy from you. It's hard to push a person to go faster than they used to, especially when you don't even know what their usual operating speed is. Simply ask your prospect, what is required to move forward to the next step? Do this a few times and you'll learn how decisions are made in a particular company. 2. Eliminate the common tendency for a prospect to think about it, as well as the common tendency for the salesperson to allow the prospect to take the lead. It's up to the salesperson to lead the process and also reduce the time that's spent on going back and forth with the prospect. If one of your prospects gives you the classic line, "Let me think about it and get back to you," you can respond with, "Great, would you help me understand what you'd like to think about most? And maybe I can provide information to help in the process." This kind of gentle and helpful pressure can move things along faster, at least at a pace you've seen common elsewhere. 3. Know when to walk away. Generally, when we know what we want and we want to buy it, we act relatively quickly. If we're not sure, we might hang on for a bit and see if the thing we're considering buying grows on us. If you can't do anything to move your prospect into the next stage, it may be the time to write them off, at least for now. This is not to say you turn your back on them completely. It's just that you want to focus on deals that you can actually close in a timely manner. With the proper application of these tips and the 3 previous levers, you can vastly increase the effectiveness of your sales pipeline management efforts and sell more.